The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold is here, and the best thing that I can say about it is that it actually looks more like a normal phone. Yes, Samsung has widened the front display, so you can use this thing while closed, and the design is lighter and sleeker, so you don't feel like you're carrying a brick around in your pocket. And you still get a massive 7.6-inch display when open. We just went hands-on with the new Galaxy Fold 4. Here's our first impressions. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is still a big phone, but Samsung has delivered a lighter and sleeker design this time around. It weighs less than the previous model while featuring a slimmer hinge. The more in-your-face improvement is the wider aspect ratio of the front display. It's nearly 3 millimeters wider, which makes for a more natural one-handed experience when open. Another plus is that the main 7.6-inch display is brighter and 45% stronger than the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which should help with durability. You'll also enjoy larger-looking videos in portrait mode, as Samsung has worked with Prime Video, Twitch, and game makers to make the most of the main panel. There's 3 colors to choose from in black, gray-green, and beige, but we're hoping for more options down the road. Samsung has upped the ante with multitasking on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, as there's a redesigned taskbar housed at the bottom of the display. You'll see your recently used apps right there, so it's easy to jump around. Just like before, you can run up to 3 apps at once, and customize app pairs for launching 3 of your favorite apps with a single tap. You can even run a second window of the same app. And Flex Mode gives you a split-screen interface where controls are on the bottom and content is up top. Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom are just 3 apps that are being optimized for Flex Mode. One of the complaints we had about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 was its under-display camera. Now it's less visible and blends in better with content, and at least based on our hands-on impressions, the pictures are sharper from this internal selfie cam. Otherwise, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 delivers upgraded cameras on par with the Galaxy S22 Plus, including a 50-megapixel wide lens, up from 12, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 30x space zoom. Plus, this foldable brings over the same nightography features from the S22 series, so you should expect better low-light performance, and the main sensor can take 23% brighter pics. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, which should make this flagship one of the fastest phones around. In terms of storage, you can expect 256 gigs, 512, and a new 1TB option. A 4400 mAh battery powers everything, which is the same as the Z Fold 3, but we're hoping the more efficient chip will make the Fold 4 last longer on a charge. With fast charging, you can expect 50% capacity in 30 minutes. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is still pricey at $1799, but if you're a serious multitasker and want a tablet and phone in one device, it's definitely worth a look. Plus, you get better cameras inside and out in a more pocket-friendly design. Add it all up, and this foldable has potential. While you're here, we've also got hands-on with the new Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 lineup, so be sure to check out that coverage. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok at Tom's Guide for more news around Unpacked. Stay tuned for our full reviews of Samsung's new devices. For Tom's Guide, I'm Mark Spoonout.